Hey everyone, it's your girl Rico and welcome back to Rico's Corner. Today I'm sharing some of my favorite fashion finds from this year's Amazon Prime Day. I hope you had a chance to buy a few items in between your workday, and if not, there's always another chance. So for the first item, I ended up getting the women's unitard bodysuit in gray and red and also black. I really like how stretchy it is, it's breathable, and it's also versatile as you can see. I decided to pair it with a cropped blazer and a cute bag, and you can really dress this up and go out on a night, on the town, everything like that. You can also decide if you want to just work out or just lounge in the home. So I really like the red color. It's very, very bold, very comfortable, like I said, breathable material. I also recommend wearing this with a seamless underwear or panty, something like that, so that the lines don't show. But I really love these and I am happy about this purchase. The next item that I got is the 3-pack bodysuit Henley top. I got it in gray, brown, and black. I love how flattering the neckline is on this bodysuit. You can wear with any style bra and it still looks great. And bodysuits do this thing where they tuck you in and they fit nicely in your skirt, your pants, or your shorts, which is what makes it so versatile and comfortable as well. So you don't usually have to wear a lot of things with it underneath. I really like the black. This is my favorite one. I just think it makes me look so flattering. And I also give thanks to the pants as well that I got from Burlington. But I really like it, and the material is stretchy. I find that it's breathable. It's not too tight on your arms, as you can see, and I have larger arms, so that's a plus for me. That's something that I always look for. Okay guys, let's get into these floral long sleeve baby doll dresses I'm going crazy over. I ended up buying 3 of these. The pattern is amazing. It's so airy, like you literally feel like a fairy. Yes, I rhymed on purpose, but no, I'm loving it. It's so fun. And you can literally go to the park or something on a nice little picnic, or just bring in the fall because it's long sleeve, it's airy, it's flowy, it's comfortable, it's not tight on your skin, and I just love the colors. Look at this burgundy one. I got this for $11.99. Isn't that crazy? Does that look like something that you would buy for $11.99? Look at the detailing on the sleeve. I am going crazy. The last one I got is in this red and white color. Again, also $11.99. This one's a little different. The sleeves are a lot wider on this one. I almost feel like a bird, as you can see. Just want to fly away because it's so cute. But anyways, last item that I got is the cutout jumpsuit. It's a long sleeve jumpsuit that I really like. Amazon has stepped it up in the fashion area over the years, and I'm really happy about it. I'm all for it. It's so flattering, and it has pockets, which is something to always be excited about, as you can see. Very flattering neckline as well, and it's comfortable. It has a zipper in the back, which is different for a jumpsuit, but I'm feeling it. That's the end. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and thanks for watching.